everyone, I am Sanvi. Welcome back to my channel, CS Science Videos. Today's topic is, how much do you know about nature? Oh my god! Let's check this out using a simple science quiz on nature. Wow! Don't forget to share your score in chat box after watching the video. Interesting. So, let the countdown begin. 3, 2, 1, go! Number 1. What do we call a large group of fishes of same species? Oh my. The answer is school, but not our school. Number 2. How much percent of DNA do humans and chimpanzees share? The answer is 98%. Now we naughty children can say that it's not our fault. It's there in our DNA. Number 3. What is a female elephant called as? The answer is cow. And of course, the male elephant is called as bull elephant. 4. Number 4. Which animal never sleeps? Let me think. The answer is jellyfish. In order to sleep, you need a brain, and the jellies don't have brains. That's why they never sleep. Number 5. With which body part do butterflies taste their food? Very difficult. The answer is feet. Oh, their feet have taste sensors on them. Number 6. Which part of cat's body appear and disappear? Oh my god. The answer is claws. The sharp nails come out when they climb or catch prey and then moves back into their toes. Number 7. What do we call the earthy scent produced when the rain falls on the dry soil? The answer is petrichor. It comes from a bacteria in the soil that produced a compound called geosmin. Number 8. Which gas fills up chapati while heating to cooking? The answer is water vapor. On heating, dissolved water in the dough evaporates, forming bubbles. This pumps up chapati. Number 9. What is the color of a polar bear's skin? If you said white, then you are absolutely wrong. It has white fur but black skin. Number 10. How many states of water are there? The answer is 4. How 4? It was 3. Scientists have discovered fourth state of water known as tunneling under extreme pressure. So what your score out of 10? Thank you for watching.